Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some plants from your orange seeds. I'm actually quite motivated to plant them because I can watch them growing as I try and grow my YouTube channel, and I'll get a nice plant to put on my desk or something. Put your 3 seeds in a container full of lukewarm water and leave this to stand for about 24 hours. Here's my seeds after they've been soaked for 24 hours. The next thing to do is take it off the outer coating, outer layer. It helps if you've got long nails. I find them a bit difficult to hold because they're a bit slimy, and I've lost a few trying to grab them flying around the kitchen. So if they're difficult to hold, just dry them with a tissue. Sometimes it'll help if you cut the end bit off with a scissors. It will help you to peel it easier. These are my peeled seeds. What you need to do is you need to lay them onto a tissue and then put them into a container. Fold your tissues over and spray with water to dampen them. Cover your seeds in your wetted tissue in your container and leave this container in a warm place for about a week. You're going to have to wait a week again. With me, what I done was as I was checking them during the week to see if there was any progress, I just checked if the tissue was dry and re-wet it again. I've done the same thing here with some lemon seeds. Going to do the same thing with some lemon seeds. You can also make lemon plants. Put your seeds in a container with damp tissue and fold it over like that, cover it, and then leave that for about a week to start growing. If the tissue starts drying up, just wet it a bit more. Cover that up and leave it to stand for 1 week. If you haven't got a flower pot to hand, you can simply do this. Get and rinse out your empty Coke bottle, and then you want to cut out a small rectangle on the top, and don't forget to put holes on the bottom as well for the water to drain out of. I personally think this looks better than a flower pot anyway. It looks quite cool. And but when your plant starts to grow, you'll need to transfer it into a bigger pot. Okay, I've got my bottle ready. I've cut a small rectangle on the top of the bottle and made about 4 small holes, pierced about 4 small holes in the bottom for the water to drain out. Keep hold of this rectangle you cut out because you can use it to make a label later. You need to get yourself some potting soil to fill up your empty cut bottle with and make your plant container. I filled up my plant container with some potting soil. You can use that rectangle piece you cut out earlier just to make a label which you can stick inside. You can put the name of the seeds you've planted in there and the date you've planted them. Don't forget to put a tray under your plant pot to collect any of the water coming out. We finally got our seeds ready for planting after 1 week, and we got a nice plant pot to plant them in. To plant your seeds into the soil, the best method of doing it is to get one of these small sticks and make a small hole make a small hole in the soil and drop your seed into place, and then cover it with a bit more soil. You can see here that if I can focus on it, you can see here that our seeds already started germinating. So what you want to do is you want to put the seed downwards with the pointy bit down, the bit that's germinating down into the hole. Keep your soil moist and water it every couple of days, not forgetting to empty your drip tray. Here's an orange plant I planted before from earlier. It's taken a while to grow, but you just need to be patient with it. Here's some more orange plants I planted before a while back. As you can see, they've all started pushing and it looks quite nice, but you have to be patient with it once again. If you want to make something with creative with your empty bottles, please just click the video appearing on your screen now, and to subscribe to my channel, please press the colourful lizard appearing on your screen now.